Just thought I'd go for a quick wander and at the same time test this camera out on this phone. I've got a new phone for Christmas. I can't see myself, but I'll show you myself. Yes, I thought I'd just have a quick wander, test this out, see how good the quality is on this camera. And while I was here, I saw this little trail here. See that there? Going through there, animal trail coming down. That goes up along there to that tree there. And it looks like it goes back through there as well. And a minute ago when I was down here, I just saw two deer. They weren't muntjac deer, so I'm not sure what they was, but they was big, didn't have antlers. They went kind of over that way. So got some cashew nuts. What I want to break up a bit and maybe put in a couple of traps. So I'm just gonna put them on this log and then just break them up like that a bit. And once I've broke them up a bit, I might put them in a squirrel trap and a pheasant trap. Made a very quick pheasant trap. Just going to whack some of these in here. Well, nothing so far, exactly the way it was, but I might have a little bit more time to check it, but so far nothing in there. Nothing in the squirrel trap today either, but that's how it goes sometimes.